Hi everyone! Finally, we are here at the motel. So mag-room tour tayo ng mabilisan, guys. Ang aking pa-outfit for today ay top ito from Kmart. Tapos nakaano na ako, square pants. So anyway, mag-room tour na tayo. Ito yung main room, main door. Tapos pagpasok mo ang fridge sa gilid. Tapos, diretso na dito sa sa toilet. Ayan. In fairness, sobrang linis niya. Hi guys! Ginagamit ko yung cellphone ng aking asawa. Tapos ito, tingnan nyo, sabi nila, sanitize for protection. Ayan. So ito, ito yung, tawag nito, mat. Tapos shower, wow, ang linis. Ay, may bath! Ayan, shower. Ayan. Tapos ito, meron extra toilet paper, bin. So yan, very clean siya, guys. Tapos ito, ganito ang itsura niya. Ayan. And then, ito, another basurahan. Tapos ito ay, nandito yung mga cutlery. Ay, wow! Ang social ng cutlery. O, nilagay pa talaga sa, ayan, mga kettle, and then cups. And then, Weet-Bix. Wow, may Weet-Bix pa din. Ayan. Weet-Bix, cornflakes, and then tea. Yeah, I would love to have a coffee. Yan, coffee. Sugar. Free lang ito eh. Ayan, meron. Ay, Vegemite. Ayan, guys. And then, apricot. Ito, try ko yan. Apricot. And then, strawberry. So, yan. Ano pa ba? Weet-Bix, cornflakes. Just right. Ay, ang dami. Special. Free, I think. Wow. Tapos, ito na siya. Ito yung baon namin. Ayan. Chocolate. So, hi everyone. So, juice ng mga bata sa anis ko. So, ito na yung room namin. So, ito ay parang double bed siya. Ang daming room. And then, meron ding, tawag dito. Ano ito? Ayan, another single bed. And then, meron ding sabon o libreng sabon. And then, shampoo. TV namin. Tapos, ayan, meron ding another shampoo ulit and then soap. So, another single bed. Ito ay double bed. Malaki siya. Yun yung outdoor namin. And then, sa gilid daw ay that's a swimming pool there.
No, I think you got
The other side. Yeah. So, and then the other room is this one here. Malaki siya. Sobrang laki. It's not too bad, diba, for a motel. Merong mag-live ako dyan mamaya. O natin. O, diba? Ayan. So, ito yung queen. Meron ding malaking TV dito. Oh. Wala, lang ito, mga, meron ding daming sabon, guys. Yan, dalhin natin yan. Free lang yan. Meron ding tissue, wardrobe, mga hanger. Tapos, ito yung bintana. So, yan, hindi na lang natin buksan. And then, ano pa ba ito? Hanger din. Ayan. So, kalimutan ko palang pakita dito. Hi! Hi, vlogs! Happy na si Welo. Ito ay another wardrobe. Wow, ang daming wardrobe. Hair dryer. Ibabash ko talaga yung buhok ko. Mag-swimming kami maya. So, yun lang, guys. Yeah. Hi, Willow. Come here. Say hello to everyone. Come here, Papa Girl. So, yun na, guys. Tapos ng ating pa-room tour. Sobrang napakaganda talaga. And, diba, natubad talaga for, sobrang, ito lang naman ang pinaka-importante talaga yung mayroon kang komportabling matutulugan at saka feeling ko sobrang talaga malinis dito. Kaya yun yung pinaka-importante, comfortable na matulugan at, malinis, diba? At saka, walang mga iwan ko kung meron bang mga malalaking hotel dito. Mga motel lang ata kasi country ito sa Victoria. So, yes guys, naiyak na si Welo. You wanna ride in my back, Blake?
Wait, Mommy. I'm scared.
Hello.
Like a starfish?
Oh.
Yeah, video.
You can fly on my back if I'm like a starfish.
Okay, so
What? A bike ride. No, like this.
How about baby?
She's only staying on that little step.
Luckily this one.
Mommy, look.
And how about this?
How big is she?
Do you wanna feel it, Baba? You feel it?
Will I float? Don't know if I stay on my back.
Okay.
Will I float if I stay on my back like this?
Okay.
Wow, look here. I'll hold you back.
You haven't ducked your head now. Oh no, don't do that. You get water in them. Hello. Is that nice?
Blake, you're gonna get sunburned. We'll go swimming.
Okay.
No, I don't want to go inside.
Oh, look at you. You're so brave. Is it the same
We'll
height?
go
Dad?
down the stairs.
Is it the same? Come
You
here,
sit on the bottom step.
Come here, I hold you.
Just hold the thing around there.
You like water, Baba girl?
Is that your dance?
Wow! Wow, Katrina!
Oh no.
That's a big splash. Jump.
Ready, Blakey? Ready? Yeah. Ready? Look.
Morning everyone! So second day sa aming road trip today. Ayan, nagkakape kami. Ito yung palang aming mga gamit. So ito yung mga medical stuff namin. So nilagay ko lang dyan. And then ang mga boys ko ay nag-breakfast sila. Tingnan niyo sila. Yan. Morning, Blake. Hey, what you eating?
Mama, Dad's away.
Is he awake? Wakey. Time for wakey. No, it doesn't want to get. Morning, Blake. What you eating? What's that? Hot cross bun. You woke up very happy. Hi, Dad. Good morning, Dada.
Good morning.
Yan. So, packing day na naman. Tingnan nyo naman yung mga fish washer. Yan, nilaro-laro yan ni Welo kagabi. So, yes guys. Magkape lang tayo. So, yes, magkape lang tayo. And then, mag-ready na tayo, guys. Tingnan nyo naman pimple ko. Meron, bago itong lumabas. Tapos ito. Ito. Ganun. This beauty tuloy ako. Charot. Morning guys! So, Monday today, and it is the 9th of January. So, ayan, nag-ready lang kami kasi ano na naman kami, yes! Papunta na kami today sa Adelaide. So, ito na naman yung suot ko. Binalik ko lang kahapon kasi nga sa car lang din naman kami nakaupo. As in, at saka hindi naman ako pinagpawisan kaya fresh pa ito. Kaya binalik ko na lang para kunti lang ang aming labahan. So, ayan guys, and then nagre-ready na din ang aking mga family. So yes guys, nandito sila. So ayan, does she need a singlet? So kunti, ayan, is that what Welo's going to wear? So kunti na lang ang aming ipapak, mga ganito ipanglagay lang namin sa aming bag. So ayan, si Aiden ready na. Ayan, so let's go guys. Ito yung aming dirty clothes. Ayan, ito yung aming dirty clothes. So, mag-pack lang ako, guys. So, dyan kami nagstay. Sa room na dyan. That's a pretty print, guys. Sa wall. It's really nice. I like this express yourself. Very nice. Morning, everyone from Mildura. So, today we are heading to Adelaide. Hooray! Today is the day. Ayan, suot ko na naman yung tawag dito. Suot ko na naman itong aking damit. Same clothes kahapon. So, dyan kami nag-stay. Yeah, the water stopped now. So, we'll see you sa Mildura, guys, sa Adelaide. So, it's about 4 and 4 hours and 35 minutes. So yes guys, we'll see you there.
You are on the fastest route. You should reach your destination by 1:47 p.m.
Wow. So it is still early. Police. So this is the
Same time.
yeah, wow. I miss it now.
Very pretty.
Plazas like in Philippines.
Ready.
Very pretty. Huh?
Mom, this looks like Melbourne.
Very similar.
They actually have another shop.
Wow, this is a build. Look at this building. That's pretty. That's cute. Where? Oh, the white one. That one there. I don't know if it's because I can't read this. What's this? A police are breath tasting anywhere, anytime, anyhow. Here we go. Welcome to. Where we go? Is this it? Where? Ah, it's so little.
Welcome to Australia.
Woo! We made it. Adelaide 281. So it's official. We are here at South Australia. It feels different. It feels so new and fresh. We're just so happy we passed the border. It means that we are getting closer to Adelaide. So yes guys, ayan si Velo, medyo happy pa siya, hindi siya natutulog. But anyway, we will be in Adelaide about 3 hour and 15 minutes. So arrive daw kami doon mga 17 past 1. So yes guys, we'll see you soon. We'll keep update anyway sa kung ano ang mga pangyayari sa road. Actually, I forgot to do a video before. Nag-stop kami ng mga 6 minutes doon sa my road works. Ayan, we're feeling very special kasi meron kaming sinusundan na van, high ace. Nagsasabi na escort. O, di ba? Ang taray, ang bongga. So anyway guys, we'll see you later.